All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. We've got around 4 minutes until market opens, and today I have a pretty easy, pretty strong bias of where I want the market to go. So we just recently, during London session, came up and took out these highs. We're already getting a bit of a sell-off here, and if you guys are seeing this right now, we have London session low combined with Asian session low right here. These are both relative or not relative equal lows, but low resistance draws on liquidity, session lows along with these lows right here. So again, we have 3 draws of low resistance draws on liquidity along with 2 of them being session lows. That to me is super obvious draws on liquidity. We have London session highs right here, but if we see London session highs already came up and we swept out these highs right here, and now we're already getting rotations to the downside. I would like to see us to come down, take out those lows. We can also go ahead and target these lows right here too if we want to get ambitious. I don't think that we are by any means required to take out these lows because this is a bit off from the low resistance draws on liquidity that we have from the session lows right here. But and then same thing here on NQ. We have all of this low resistance liquidity. I really hope that price doesn't take out these draws right when market opens. Damn, dude. I really don't want price to take out these draws on liquidity right when market opens because they're just so obvious. If we do take out these lows, it looks like we're doing that right now. I'll probably have to reevaluate and see where we want to go. NASDAQ, we ended up coming back up, sweeping out these highs again. ES, we came back up, swept out these highs again. We, on both of these, yeah, so we actually made a bearish SMT divergence off these London session highs. But we're completing the SMT right now. Once we take out these lows, then the SMT will be completed, and this is just devastating that our draws are getting taken out like this. But high, lower high on ES. We have high, higher high. Sorry, my eyes are like super itchy this morning. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm dehydrated and we have no water in the crib. It's not looking too good. But higher high with London session high for the SMT to be completed. I would want to see these lows get taken out. We are flooding to the downside right now. I'm not really the biggest fan of this at all, so I'm probably going to have to find some sort of reevaluation of where I would want price to go, which really freaking sucks. Because that was a really good draw on liquidity for the day. Market opens in 30 seconds. At least ES isn't there yet. I wonder if we can like come up, sweep out London session highs again. That would be lit. Probably not gonna happen though. Oh, man. That fucking sucks, dude. Literally right when I got on here, I was like, yes, free money. Free freaking money on the table for us. And now, it's not looking as free. Not as free, but I mean, shit. If we can try and stay above here for enough time, we're like, I would like to say we're almost certainly going to take out those Asian session lows. So if we can get some manipulation back on up, that would be super ideal. We could get manipulations up so we can rotate and take shorts down to these other draws. That's what I would want to see. And I wonder, I don't want to play the game of like trying to top tick, which is kind of what I was doing yesterday, of talking about these high time frame lows and being like, oh yeah, this could be the start of the move down here. That was like a big mistake that I made yesterday. I don't want to be playing the game of like trying to top tick on the high time frame. It's just better if we stick to the low time frames and see what the low time frames are giving us and just make our trade ideas based off that instead of being like, oh, we've got low resistance liquidity all the way down here that's eventually going to get hit. Like, yeah, no shit, eventually it's going to get hit, but we can't let that cloud our judgment on price action right now. Like, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of low resistance draws on liquidity. When price is ready, we're going to sweep all of these bitches out for sure. But we got to make sure price is ready for that first. And unfortunately, we can't be just shooting for the moon and stars and trying to short at the high of everything. So instead, we'll stay down on the lower time frames and see. But yeah, this was a London manipulation, reversal, New York continuation. I really hope that we can get some sort of finesse, some sort of legs up during this manipulation time frame until I'm ready to take a trade. Damn, man. Need some water as I'm about to toss a fucking Zin in the top floor. Definitely need some water. Or actually bottom floor, little basement dweller. A little basement dweller, a little basement gremlin, not shoving that shit in the attic. Okay, so we took out London lows, but we're definitely going to want to take out Asian session lows on both these indexes. I would like to see Asian, the Ching Chang Chong lows, the Great Wall of China lows to get taken out. We've got Villa in Ibiza lows right here. And we've got the Panda Express lows right here. Now, if we take a gander, this right here, if you take a trade down to here, you might be able to afford yourself a villa in Ibiza for $10,000 a month. Alright, dude. Macro opens in 15 minutes. Not really any big news today for real. Wait. Today's Tuesday? Why was I thinking today was Wednesday? The only main news that we have is unemployment claims and existing home sales on Thursday. And then, yeah, new home sales on Friday. Villa in Ibiza. I love people from the UK, dude. Those Ibiza. Those guys got it, dude. You what, mate? Some fish and chips. Sorry. Let's lock in. Dude, do not go down and take out London session lows right now. Or sorry, Asian session lows. Do not be doing that shit, dude. All of the order flow is bearish. 1 hour, 5 minute, 1 minute. It's pretty much begging for a villa in Ibiza lows and the Great Wall of China lows. Oh, that would be fire if we could make a bullish SMT off of this. Send it higher for like a little bit. Maybe get like there's really not much to sweep out, but hey, yeah, maybe we could sweep out these highs, relative equal highs. These are equal highs. Maybe we come up and sweep out those highs. I'm just not willing to take a trade this early into market open, even though we know what our draw is. Patience pays most of the time. Don't take out the Villa and Ibiza lows. Don't do it. Don't do it, S&P. Don't. Jeez. Ass crack is gunning for those Asian persuasion lows. Villa and Ibiza. Sorry. I'm done with the Villa and Ibiza. Ibiza. Oh. Log in. I can't believe this dude's my mentor. Shut up. Pay attention. Dillweed. You ever wonder how I learned how to do this? I actually had to focus for 2 seconds. And then I could start talking about villas in Ibiza. That's the thing with me. Like, I'm so off my rocker with literally every other subject. That's how I know I have mental illnesses. I'm off my rocker with like every subject that I'm not interested in, but the second that it comes to like trading or business or just like something that I'm interested in, I just like my hyperfixations are just like, and I just like become uberly obsessed, and I just need to know every and anything about it. That's how it was, even when I was a fucking kid, bro. Like, or like specifically when I was a fucking kid, I always needed to know like how to be the best, like whatever my hobby or fixation was at the time, like I needed to figure out how to be the best at it, how to, dude, this thing's gonna take out the Villa and Ibiza lows, oh my god. Did NASDAQ take out Asian? Oh my god. Oh my god. What are we gonna do now? Alright, London and Asia session lows, dude. I should have just taken shorts. Okay, well, in that case, I guess since we're in bullish order flow on the 4 hour, like, I guess we can see if we want to make an SMT off of these lows that we just swept out on ass crack. And then, because clearly this is the manipulation leg down to take out these lows. That was the manipulation of the day, because we wouldn't come down and target these this early into market open if that was the main objective. So main objective is elsewhere. Let's see where we want to go. I would assume, because we made relative equal highs with London session high right here and these hourly highs, that this would be actually a pretty solid draw on liquidity. Boom, look at that. Revamp that one, Timothy. Boom, so now we can look at NASDAQ and say, hey, how's that Villa and Ibiza treating you now? So we made equal lows with this. I don't like that one bit. I would like to see us get down a little bit more. If we could take out these lows on ES, that would be solid. Yeah, we made equal lows with this hourly candle. Yeah, I actually wouldn't mind if price wanted to rotate up here. Again, I don't want to get lost in the sauce, because look, this was a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep into a higher high. Liquidity sweep into a higher high. Like, technically, we should be aiming higher. Those were just super obvious draws on liquidity for the day. So, in this case, I'll be focusing on NASDAQ now, because we took out these draws on liquidity to the downside. Let's see if we get a break here. Again, if you guys want these indicators, I'll put a link in the description. It's literally just so much fucking easier for me to literally just slap, like, oh, let's see if we have a break here. I just toss the bitch on instead of having to like hover the red line over and over again. This shit just makes my life a million times easier. By all means, though, like, it's It's not a fucking buy or sell indicator. It's literally just telling you the confluences that I use on a daily basis. It just helps my lazy ass. All right, cool. We took out these lows. Now I'll be comfortable. I wonder, that would be fire since ES made lower lows right here. That would be fire if we could make a little SMT ski right here and then bing bang boom ba-dum doom doom. Rotation. Rotator cuff to the upside. And then let's see what other confluences do we have going on right here. We got a 1 hour order cock. Pardon my French. 1 hour cock right there. Are these equal highs? No fucking way. Ibiza. I can smell the veneer breath from here. Ibiza. Where you going this summer, mate? You going to Ibiza? I'm sorry to all of my veneer speaking followers. I literally just cannot help it. You going to Ibiza? Ibiza. Fuck yeah, those guys are going to Ibiza. Okay, let's figure out where midnight open is. My eyes are fucking burning, dude. Okay, so this is midnight open. We've pretty much been playing within this range this entire time. Let's see if we can get a turn up, burn up. Let's see if we invalidate this gap right here. We're really just ranging right now on the 1 minute and on the FIFA. Or the 5 minute. Sorry. For those of you who don't speak cool person language, the 5 minute time frame. I hate when people are fucking... I was just saying that I was a nerd about day trading, but I hate when people be such like fucking... Like, dude, you can still... That's why I even started social media in the first place, dude, because I was like in high school and I'm watching all of these dudes trying to teach me how to trade, and I'm like, fuck, dude, I'm kicking it with some nerds right now, like learning how to trade. It's like, dude, can a young, cool guy not be interested in like a somewhat nerdy topic? Yes, we can. And I wanted to spread some awareness to that for real, because just because we like day trading and shit doesn't mean we have to be drooling over a keyboard. You get me? Okay, so we made a 1 minute SMT right here. That's honestly super fire. Let's just full port our shit right here long, dude. Dude, you know what watch I really want? That Richard Mille that is like this, where it's like $2 million. But I've had that RM. Oh, by the way, I was not serious about entering right then and there. If you guys thought I was serious, I will show you guys. Look, no trades on the S&P. And no trades on ass crack. Don't come at me. Okay. But yeah, dude, I've had that watch in my camera roll for like the past 3 years now. Look here, I bet you I can find it in my camera roll if it's still saved. Let me look up watch. I don't even know if the shit will show up as a watch if I search that shit. Scroll all the way back here. Yeah, bro, that watch is so fucking hard. By far, that's like mega dream piece. Yes, dude, I found it. Boom. Screenshotted this bitch 3 years ago. 3 years ago, I screenshotted literally every single, the front, the back, the side. Yeah, bro. So freaking cool. All right. Kind of shitty price action right now. These 1 minute candles aren't closing too sexy. Let's wait for the macro, see what happens. Yeah, there's no news going on today. Also, guys, the Vegas vlog with Togi drops today, so stay tuned for that. I don't know what video will get posted first. Okay, so we wanted these London session lows. Fuck, man. Okay, so now... Damn, dude. ES is probably... Yep. Okay. We gotta recalibrate our shit, guys. Fuck, man, that was such an obvious draw on liquidity for the day. I might not trade today because of that shit, dude. Bro, I completely forgot about that shit. I'm going broke, so I'm going broke, so I forgot to pay my freaking energy bill. Or I had it on. Okay, I'm logged in now. Pay bill. Fuck. $3,000. Damn, it's making me add my credit card. I've already added this shit, dude. Pay now. Payment has been submitted. Yeah. But yeah, pretty much what I was going to say is, wait, yeah, it already submitted my bill, dude. What? Oh shit, that was the overdue. Fuck. Oopsie poopsie. Um. Okay, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm going broke. I forgot to pay my freaking energy bill, and they've been calling me about it. And then I was supposed to do it like literally last week, and the Puerto Ricans are like literally freaking out because they think I'm like trying to jug them for materials and shit. Okay, well that sucks that we came down and took out the Villa and Ibiza and Panda Express lows. Now it's like, what do we even do from here? Macro just opened. Oh, am I seriously not going to take a trade today, dude? Dude. Yeah, dude. I think, God damn it, dude. I wanted to make money today. that moment when you just want, when you're, that moment when you're fiending to trade and the market just like is putting actual rocks and cocks in your bum, dude. Okay, we're going to turn this into an advertisement. If you want to learn how to trade, go and click in the link in the description to either become my one-on-one student to get coached personally by me, or if you guys are just starting your trading journey, go click the free course link in the description so you guys can learn about all of these confluences and get a villa in Ibiza and go to the Great Wall of China. The next thing that you guys are going to do is, if you guys want a funded account, go tap in with Alpha Futures or Alpha Capital. Use code TJR. It'll save you some bread. What else? Hero FX is the broker that I use. If you guys want to trade with them, if you guys are ready for a live account, if you guys have some capital and you guys want to, you know, make some shit shake on there, boom. If you guys want to start on a demo account, paper trading, boom. That's a good spot as well. What else do we have going on? I wish I had a Trading View affiliate. Try and use. Oh wait, whoa, okay, baby, okay. Everybody lock in. Let's see if we get a break of structure here. Villa in Ibiza. Let's see if we can afford a villa in Ibiza. Molly Perkins, I feel so invincible. Molly Perkins, I feel so invincible. Break of structure on the 1 minute. Please give me a retrace. So again, shout out to my indicators. That bitch already marks that bitch out for me. I wonder if I can extend that clip a little bit longer. Automatic. Word. No, dude, do not turn up to the, don't turn up to the Villa in Ibiza highs that quick, dude. We have the Villa in Ibiza relative equal highs right here. Dude. And then this is the order cock. Please give me some. Okay, that's it. I'm full porting. I'm kidding, but I really want to. Excuse me, kind sir. Excuse me, kind sir. I love your villa in Ibiza. What do you do for a living? Crash out for the gang. Hold up. Come on, dude. Girl, come on. It's time to get it, girl. They're playing our song. What song is that? That's that Quality Control. Whatever happened to those girls? Well, who were they called again? City Girls. City Girls. Yeah, whatever happened to those girls, dude? Are they in jail? Or did they just get like an STD? One or the other. It's like one or the other. It's no in between. They're either in jail or got an STD. Yeah, dude. I wonder if they're still making music, dude. Let's see. City Girls. Oh, wait. Didn't they split up? Act up. You can get stacked up. City Girls. Who was it? It was JT. That's Uzi's Jount. And who was the other girl? Miami? Isn't that who it was? JT in Miami? All right. Lock in. We have a fair value gap right here, and then a big ass gap right here. I would love for us to come back in and fill in this BPR. And for everybody that's freaking out, make a video on a BPR. Shut up, okay? BPR is literally just when we see flood to the face of the downside, followed by flood to the face of the upside. Both interlining, where we just have a bearish fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap, and they kind of overlap. So we just know that this price range right here is pretty much like not illiquid. What's the word that I'm looking for? There's just like a lack of orders throughout all of this. That's why price was able to flood all the way down super quick, and that's why price was able to flood all the way up super quick. So when we see that, we're kind of assuming that price is going to want to come down and fill this bitch. So yeah, we're coming down, filling this bitch. Awesome. Villa in fucking Ibiza. Let's see if we can rotate our shape back to the upside from here. Work that, twerk that till you got a hurt back. Those girls were tough, dude. Whatever happened to JT and young Miami? Miami. So cold. I need to pee, dude. Always at the worst times. The coffee just starts kicking, dude. Alright, we're getting in here. I don't want to be risking too heavy because my main obvious draws were these, so I'm going to be doing similar risk to what I did yesterday. Just on some chill shit for real. Waiting for some sort of bullish closure out of this bitch. And then I'll be willing to enter. Okay, wow, this is like a super solid confluence right here. I would love to see price come and fill this. This is the 50% of this fair value gap. These are Asian session lows, and that's equilibrium. I would love for price to come right down in here. If it doesn't, then we'll still try and make shit shake, but sweating, dude. I hate when I can literally feel the sweat droplets dripping. Dripping down my shit. I might enter with like a tiny ass risk right here. I think yeah, I'm going to. This is like probably a fucking, like a fifth of what I'm willing to risk on the day. I actually got a bomb ass entry on that bitch. Let's see what price does here. See if we want to turn up and burn up. Let me add this equilibrium back on, because if we can get a closure back above this, that would be solid, and then I can enter with the rest of the risk that I'm willing to. Let's see how we move. Sweating my ass off. And I can't get shirtless because you guys can't see the physique reveal. I literally have ab veins and shit now. Okay, we closed above that. I'm going to enter with the rest of my position here. Hard. Please burn up. Please burn up, turn up. Let's go ahead and set this stop loss. Girl, come on. It's time to get it, girl. They're playing our song. Let's see. I'm risking like 28 racks on this right now. 28 racks. So a little bit more risk than I did yesterday. Or yeah, like 3 times the risk than I did yesterday. But that was because yesterday it was like, bruh. Like I was really just shooting for some bullshit ass low time frame trade. So it was just, there was no reason for me to even trade in general, bruh. I don't know if I don't know if I should set a take profit here or not. I'm low-key thinking I should. But also, these are the main objectives. If price even gets up there, then I'll be able to make a better decision once ES starts forming candlesticks. Yeah, because ES, we made equal highs right here. I would assume that ES wants to take out, boom, low resistance liquidity from this high and these equal highs. This is like 4 equal highs right here. I would assume that ES wants that. See if ES wants to grab these highs. So these equal highs, in my eyes, the equivalent of that is this low resistance liquidity. These 3 highs on NASDAQ. I'll probably end up taking partial profits off of that just because this, not that I don't think price will get all the way up here, but we already took out my main overall draws on liquidity for the day. And this is kind of like a second-hand trade for real. And on top of that, if we get up to these highs, I'll be able to clear the lot. Like just even taking partials at these highs, I'll be able to clear the losses from yesterday and be able to make a be up on the week. So let's see. I have NASDAQ open on my phone, ES open on this screen. still, bro. My bladder is so small. Come on, man. We being dead ass. Please make a low time frame SMT. Please SMT. Please. Please SMT off those lows. Please SMT off those lows. I like how long that wick is. I like how long that dick is. I like it. No. Turn up. Rotate. Rotate to the upside, please. Rotate to the upside. To the upside. Rotate. Come on, buddy. Dude, I was craving Indian food. See, that just goes to show I do like Indians. I was craving Indian food last night, and the best Indian food place in Miami wasn't available. Freaking sucked, dude. So had to make an alternate play and get Mediterranean. That shit was still gas though. Even though I said I wanted Chipotle, but the problem is if you order Chipotle off of Uber Eats, dude, forget about your order, bro. They're literally just they're making their own bowl at that point. They're literally just putting any and everything or nothing in there. Like you'll ask for extra protein and they won't even put protein, and then you get like a $30 Uber Eats bowl from Chipotle and it's like rice, beans, and like 2 pounds of guac. Dude, let's not do this shit. Come on, man. Damn it, ES took out those lows too. It's not what I like to see. Fuck. Is this gonna be an L? Back-to-back L's would suck. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Girl, come on. It's time to get it, girl, to playing outside. See if we can break 1 minute structure back to the upside. Get this shit back up and running. Got a break on NASDAQ, but not really a clean one. Hard. Come on, man. Let's see if we can get this rotation now. Ah, man. Slow and steady wins the race, am I right? Am I right, folks? Dude, I have to pee so freaking bad. All right, I'll be right back. I'm just going to pee. Yes. I did not wash my hands, but looks like we're going to want to grab these highs. That's what it's looking like, at least. That is what it's looking like, at least. So let me get ready to manage this position if it wants to run on up there right now. Again, yes, we have these relative equal highs right here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't do that. Hopefully that's just a small amount of profit taking off of these. What is that? 5-minute high? Yeah. Let's break 5-minute structure here. Come on now. Break 5-minute structure. My eyes are so dry. I need to go grab a water right after this. Two more minutes to see if we break these 5-minute highs. We've been having a lot of these days where it's just like we are literally just waiting forever and ever, bro. 5 minute looks like shit. We did grab these highs though. Not the equal highs that I wanted on ES. We did grab some 5 minute highs though. Okay, so we didn't break 5 minute structure. Crash out for the gang. Hold up. Crash out for the mixtape. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Did you guys know I was I think I've shown this, but it was a long time ago. I was actually potential Broadway superstar. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this lore, but back in the day, I used to be, a little bit more of a fruitcake than I am now, and I was doing plays and shit. I'm pretty insane. I might as well leak this before it gets leaked on the internet. You get me? So, yeah, let me show you the type of shit that I was getting into, or let me just let you guys hear this. Pretty much after I dropped this track, Broadway was like knocking down my door to get me signed and booked, but I had to politely turn them down. I was focused on other things at this point in time. Let's see if I can find this video. This show is so hard. By far the best, literally the best performance of my life. Let's see. How do you even find videos on? Now we got it. Yeah, well, Price is taking forever to do whatever the fuck it wants. I'm going to find this shit. Oh yeah, we're already in the right range on the photo album. Let's see if I can get this shit. I can't believe I did this, dude. I was so legendary. Yes, I found it. Okay. Ready? You guys want to hear this shit? Get ready. I'm going to turn you guys up a tiny notch. Okay, ready? So, just to give you guys context, I was in The Lion King. I was Pumbaa. This was literally probably the best moment of my career that I've ever had in my entire life. So, keep that in mind. All right.
Promise. That's right. Take Pumbaa here. When he was a young warthog. When I was a young warthog.
Wasn't that fire when opera on their ass? Let me run that shit back in here. I'll give you guys a full perspective. The type of shit that was going on. I'm the fucking warthog, dude. Bro, people were going fucking berserk for that shit. I'm telling you, dude, I had offers just coming through the mail talking about, yo, when can we get you on Broadway? I'm trying to fly you out to New York, audition for this show. And I'm like, look, dude, I appreciate the offers and everything, but you got to get in line with everybody else, because at the time there was just I had way too much shit going on, and I had to politely turn them down for real. It just wasn't my calling. Thank goodness I didn't do that shit, and thank goodness I ended up being a day trader instead, so that I can just sit around for fucking 2 hours waiting for take profit or stop loss to get hit. But yeah, figured I would leak that to the internet before it got leaked, just because I would rather have I would rather leak it myself than someone come across that and be like, yo, TJR like is the best musician of his generation, and it's like, dude, guys, come on. Like, I'm a man of many talents. You guys just haven't figured that out yet, or maybe you guys have, but I got a lot of tricks up my sleeve. All right, dude, I showed the warthog performance. I did an advertisement already. Let's do advertisement number 2. If you guys want to learn how to become a gay trader like me, then sign up to the link in the description to learn how to take these trades like LeBron James. I'm opening up applications to the LeBron University for the Youth, where I teach you guys how to day trade and how to be a gay trader just like me. LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James. Dog, are we being so like real with this price action, dude? I would rather it just be done. I'm cool losing the 28 racks, dude. At this point, bro. At this point, I just want to go to the gym. At this point. Why has price action been like this for the past like 2 weeks, dude? It's just been like slow poke mode. It's 10:30. Let's wrap it up here, guys. Wrap it and tap it, okay? Pop it, lock it, polka dotted. Bam, 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 do 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 do. Bro, like, are we being so fucking serious with this price? I know you guys like these videos and all. But look, dude. If we keep getting shit like this, I'm like, all the freedom from trading has become non-existent. The freedom from trading has literally disappeared due to this slow ass price action. I could literally be in the gym right now just monitoring this trade. But no. TJR needs to upload the trade recap, or else I'm gonna throw a fucking fit. Come on, dude. Oh, Kill Tech Capsule 2 comes out May 30th. We got all the boxes and shit. We got the denim is finally here. That shit looks insane. Obviously, the bitch on the one football jersey, super crazy. All the t-shirts that we made so far, fucking insane. The leopard print mesh shorts, bro. We spanked this shit. Make sure you guys follow us on the gram. If you guys aren't following us on the gram, I actually don't know what you're doing, because we have some hard ass shit coming through to you guys. And on top of that, sign up to the SMS because you guys will literally get early access to that shit. So do it. Do it, because remember last time when we dropped those hoodies and everybody's freaking out, how can I get a hoodie? How can I get a hoodie? We literally sold out before we were able to release it to the public. And then we did a restock of them and sold out again. So we gave you guys the opportunity. This, on the other hand, is actually ridiculous, dude. Can we break out of this range? Dude. I literally might have to post this trade recap later in the day, unless it goes and smacks shit right now. If we can go and smack shit right now, that would be awesome. But if we can't turn up and hit the shit like soon enough, bro. I'm literally going to have to postpone this video until after the Togi vlog. Togi vlog. The Togi vlog's going to be fire, dude. Crash out for the gang. Hold up. Hold up. Let me catch my breath. What? Count up these checks. Yeah. Flex on my ex. Yeah. This is berserk, bro. Have y'all seen the new like Osama bin Laden? That sounds crazy, but the Netflix doc that they did on him, I want to watch that shit. That shit looks awesome. Ooh, that's what I'll watch on the plane tomorrow. Wow, is it actually time? Are we actually going to do it this time? Is it actually happening? I literally might close everything out at those highs. Actually, no. Stick to the trading plan. Sorry, sir. Okay, lock in. Let's prepare the partials like we were doing last time. We got above these highs. Now let's just go up and take out everything. Go up, take out everything. Low resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity. Go up and take it all out, man. Take it out. Go. Go. TJR TJR needs to go to the gym. Hell yeah. Let's lock in. Yes, okay. Took partial profits off there. Partials off this one. Let's work. Yes, we took out the equal highs. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Okay. I'm up $16,000 on the day, so I made back the loss, the $8,000 loss from yesterday and an extra $8,000 up on the week. Let's see if we can hit extra take profits here. Go ahead and move stop loss break even. Let's go, dude. Finally. Right? Fucking finally, dude. Fucking finally, bro. Let's see if we can grab these highs. And then it would be super awesome lit if we could close this bitch off with a bang. Just at these highs right here. That would be final take profit. Final TP ski would be at these highs. Hey man, we weathered the storm. We weathered the fucking storm. We made it out. We broke 5-minute structure. Yeah, dude. Let's turn this shit up for the one time. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Oh yeah, she just let me hit. Yeah, she for my brother. Yeah, we in that bitch. Oh yeah, we turning up. Yeah, we going up. Tell him put some red all up in my cup. If we can maintain this volume all the way up to these highs, that would be fire. If not, then I don't want to make like another, like I hate doing the like double fucking videos where I come back after the shit because it takes forever for me to download the videos and then put them together and then re-download the put together video. So what I might do is we'll wait to see what goes on with these highs, or I mean, yeah, we'll just wait and see what type of volume we get within the next like 17 minutes, because then it'll be 11 by then. Crash out for the gang. Hold up. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Take out those highs, take out pre-market highs. You should do it, you should do it, it might be a surprise. Take out those highs, take out those highs. You should do it, you should do it, it would be a surprise. POV, your mentor just made $16,000 and starts singing a song. Bing bong, everybody everywhere, bing bong. I wonder what what children's songs sound like, Chinese children's songs sound like. Bing bong, ching chong, ching ling, bing da ding. Probably something along those lines, right? All right, yes, we're running up. We're trying to grab these highs. Let's see if we can snatch them. We're definitely going to grab them on ES. Most definitely. I don't know about ass crack though. Ass crack is slowing down. ES, we're too fucking close to these highs to not take them out. Come on, mate. Villa and Abifa highs right here. Dude, fuck, dude. Is this how, like, bro, I already fucking know that, like, there's frat dudes that, like, watch my content and they just be, like, coke raging over trades. They'll, like, take a bomb and be like, fuck, dude. Should've hit my take profit, dude. Got stopped out for the 5th time today. Fuck. Fuck, dude. Like, geez, Laramie. Alright, bro. Can we not take forever here? Y'all remember when Laramie Tunsil, what was he? He was an offensive lineman. And literally the day before the draft, like, he was supposed to go 1st round, like, high-ass draft pick. The day before the draft, someone leaked a picture of him hitting a gas mask bong. That shit was awesome, dude. I remember fucking with Laramie Tunsil so much more after seeing that. I was like, wow. He can perform under pressure. A gas mask bong, that's some shit that, wow, damn, that's actually sad that I never got to do some shit like that back when I was a stoner. I need to start smoking gas again. Got to pick up that. Sorry, I'm a horrible influence. I should not be smoking gas, obviously. Well, literally, once I stopped smoking gas pack, my life just got infinitely better. Started making way more money trading. Was way more productive. And all the people in the comment section are going to be, I'm a productive stoner. Dude, I was a productive stoner too. And I can promise you, you weren't as a productive stoner as me, because I was making like $250,000, $300,000 a month while just being fried off my ass all day long. But then I stopped doing that shit, and guess what? Them digits continued to go higher and higher and higher. So right now, you guys are definitely not doing that much per month. So maybe you guys should stop. See where that takes you, buddy. All right, we got to take out these highs, dude. Dude. Come on, dude. Take them out. Fuck, dude. Hit my take profit already, dude. Fuck. Fuck. TP, bro. TP should have been smashed. Alright, guys. Let's stop doing the elephant walk and let's hit this bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god, are we being so dead ass right now? Come on, dude. This shit taking a long ass time. My God. This is actually making me lose brain cells right now. Wow, huge mega rotation down. Let's see if I can stay alive if this ends up wanting to turn back up. Holy flood work. We are still alive, and our stop loss is actually pretty, or our break-even point is still pretty far away from this, so I'm not super concerned, but I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is taking forever, and I'm like, as much as I was saying I didn't want to split this shit up in 2 videos, it's kind of looking like that's going to be the case. This is just crazy, bro. Or, yeah, let's see if we just get stopped out at break even. Okay, the first entry, or the second entry, I guess, got stopped out at break even, and then the 1/5 entry is still alive. Looks like it's going to get stopped too, though. We'll see. Yeah, we're getting real close to it. We are getting real close to it. At this point, I would low-key just prefer if this bitch took me out. Not sweep it out and then just go all the way back up. Because now I don't even have very much of my remaining position on. I'll probably only be able to make like an extra... Actually, no, I'll probably be able to make like an extra... Let's see. If I hit that take profit, yeah, I would only be able to make like 3.5K. Bro, what? Oh, so lame. Dude, and watch this thing just turn up from here. Watch this thing just burn up from here. Yeah, what? Only an extra 3.5, bro. Literally could have been a 30K day. Instead, it's a freaking 19 or 20K day. All right, because this is like such a minimal amount of bread that I'm just going to set. No. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set my final take profit at, where's London session highs at? At London session highs up here. London session highs, yeah, bro, it's so ass. London session highs, I will make $4,800 if it goes up and hits that. My stop is at break even right now from the aggressive entry. And I'll take partial profits at these highs right here. So I made money on the day. That's point blank period. I am probably going to post this after the Togi vlog just so the Togi vlog can get some momentum running. I might even wait to post this trade recap tomorrow. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll probably post this trade recap tomorrow. Damn, bro. Fucking sucks that this shit took so long. But whatever. It is what it is. I want the Togi video to get up. So you guys will be seeing this video the following day. Obviously, you guys know that it was today. I'll make TikToks about it and explain the whole thought process. But yeah, I'm going to put final take profit at these London session highs. I'll manage half of my position here if we even get back up here. Let me go ahead and set an alert right now. And then, yeah, we'll just call it a day if we can even get up there. And then if I get stopped out, cool, no harm, no foul. You guys can go back and see what's going on. Also, just follow me on Instagram. I post all the P&Ls, whether it's a win or a loss or a no trade day, on my Instagram story. Again, the goal is to be super transparent with you guys. I love and appreciate y'all. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, dudes.